In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create item in FreshBooks in 2026. Start by signing in to your FreshBooks account and opening your main dashboard. From here, look to the left sidebar. This is your navigation hub. You'll find the section that manages products and services there. Go ahead and open items and services to access the list of everything you sell or bill for. Once you're on the items and services page, choose Create Item. This opens a clean form where you'll set up the details your invoices will use. Think of this as creating a reusable building block, so taking a moment to set it up clearly will save you time later. Begin with the name field. This is required and appears on estimates and invoices, so make it short, specific, and easy to recognize. For example, use clear names like website setup, monthly consulting, or premium support hour. If you offer similar things, add a simple identifier such as size, tier, or version to avoid confusion. Next, enter a description. This appears beneath the item name on client documents and helps explain what's included. Keep it client-friendly and outcome-focused. If your work varies, write a concise default description now. You can always tailor it on an individual invoice. Now choose the income account. This determines where the revenue lands in your reporting, so select the category that best matches the item, such as services revenue or product sales. Using the correct account keeps your profit and loss accurate. If you're ever unsure, pick the option that most closely reflects the nature of the item and stay consistent. Add the rate. For services, this might be your hourly or flat fee. For products, it's the per unit price. If the amount sometimes changes, you can still set a typical default here and adjust it per invoice when needed. Consistent pricing speeds up billing and reduces mistakes. Configure taxes if they apply. Choose the correct tax rate based on your location and the type of item. If it's non-taxable, leave it untaxed. The options you see are pulled from your tax settings, so they'll match what you've already set up. Accurate tax selection here helps prevent double taxing or missed tax on invoices. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new item will appear in the list and will be ready to use on estimates and invoices. A clear name, a helpful description, the right income account, a sensible default rate, and accurate tax selection will make your invoicing faster and your reporting cleaner. That's it. You've created an item in FreshBooks for 2026.